It says, "Hi KVG, hi Vedare. I'm a man aged 36 years old. I have Nyayango. When I was 26 years old, I got involved with a girl whipper next door. This girl aishanda mu bottle store and everyone assumed that she was a prostitute. Vakangofungirawo nekuti aishanda mubawa. When my mother heard about this, she sat down with me and warned me about dating this girl. I did not listen and takadanana kusvika pakumiti sana. Paakatizira kumba kwedu, my mother vakaramba kumutambira semuroora, vakandidzinga pamba. So a year later, ndakaenda kunorora and only one sibling showed up and everyone else refused, influenced by my mother. So, nemudzimai wangu, we have 3 kids now. They have never seen gogo. Isuo, we have never seen mama in the longest time. We bump into each other pakaita rofu or pakaita muchato, and still she refuses to accept my wife. I've tried to force my kids on her, but still vano resist her. So I've wondered kuti inyaya mudzimai wangu chete here or there's something else. Sekuru, my mother's brother, told me that mama was infected with HIV by our father. It's believed that baba vaitora vasikana vemubawa. Unfortunately, my dad passed away nekuda kwechirwere. Vedare, does this make sense kwamuri kuti mai vangu vanobva vavenga muroora wavo nekuda kwekuti akamboshanda mubottle store? My wife is a kind person, a good wife and a mother. I've tried everything. Ndinokwanisawo kuita sei kuti mai vangu vandide? Please, munoitongawo sei nyaya iyi Vedare?